McShoebert here, and look what Uncle Rob's bought me. It's an FTX Outback Mini version 3, 1/24 scale 4-wheel drive ready to run trail vehicle. So let's unbox it! Yay! Right then guys, it's McRob here now. McShoebert's gone off in a huff because I wouldn't let him play with it yet. So here we are, mates. The FTX Outback Mini version 3. I like the colour, the gunmetal grey, and if we lift it off we can see they've moved stuff round. I don't know if I've got my old original FTX. Okay, so here's the original one. Now, okay, the ESC stroke receiver combo is roughly in the same place. The battery position again is in the same place, but the big difference is they've moved the motor from down here to the front, so giving a bit more weight over the front axle, meaning there's not only a transfer box here with a metal dog bone, but then we've got another transfer box in the centre. So there we go. Again, no real damping. You do get this rather lame charger, and I believe this is still a 1S LiPo battery, and there we go. So yeah, now coming to the manual, I've got a bone to pick. They've really gone down in my estimation now, because they're giving you instructions on a transmitter, but it's not the one they send to you. This is totally different. Buttons in the different places. The battery compartment is down here. You don't remove the handle, and there's a button here that says set, and there's nothing in here about what that button does. And I've had a play and it doesn't seem to do anything. And there's also a channel or third channel button switch there, and yeah, if we get back, if you can see, I'll zoom in if I can. It's almost like 1, 2, 3, 5 channel receiver. I'm not saying it is because it says servo and lights.
Poop you, sir, poop you.
However, this seems to be the lights. So there we go. I'm hoping it's going to be better than this one. Unfortunately, I can't test them because I think this ESC has gone bang at some point. So here's my little new one. Not too bad at all, and I think I should get it out and give it a bit of a run around my garden.
Stormpupa, he say no.